All products are made of carbon steel wire. They are formed into semi-finished products of various shapes by one-time forming and forging through Bingfeng cold heading machine imported from Taiwan. And then the full automatic tapping machine is used to tap out the tooth patterns. Each process is specially inspected to avoid errors. The final product is then screened for the texture and appearance of each nut by an optical screening machine, and then specially packaged according to the product's specifications and models and delivered to the customer.